enter a graph age t. So it is very urgent to use any method to enter a graph because graph is an structure. So for this we use mostly adjacency matrix and sometimes we use adjacency list. In adjacency matrix corresponding to any graph, we can understand this by taking one example. You can see here there are five vertices A, B, C, D, and E. We draw a 2 cross 2 means 2D matrix and write labels of five vertices here and five vertices here. Now, vertices A is not connected by A, means there is no set loop on A, so we assign here 0. Now, 1 is adjacent to vertices D, E, and C. So, we enter 1 in front of C, D, and E. Similarly, vertex V is not adjacent to any vertex, so all entry of second row means row for vertex V is 0. Vertex C is adjacent to only vertices A and E, so we put 1 front of A and front of E and other entries are 0. There are some properties of adjacency matrix. From adjacency matrix, we al- can also find adjacency list. Adjacency list means it gives neighborhood of any vertex. For example, vertex A is adjacent to vertex C, D, and E. Firstly, go on previous slide. Vertex A is adjacent to three vertices C, D, and E. So adjacency list for vertex A is C, D, and E. Vertex B is isolated vertex. So it is not adjacent to any other vertex where entries are nothing. Vertex C is adjacent to A and E, so its adjacency list means adjacency list corresponding to vertex C is A and E, and so on. There are some properties of adjacency vertex, adjacency list. Here we are taking one example, and this is corresponding adjacency matrix.